Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy new ringtones on the iPhone. So, in front of me is an iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but this is going to work all the same on the all other phones. So there are two paths that you can go into the iTunes store with the tones. So you can go straight from the iTunes store and then go to the tones, and here you are going to find some tones for your new ringtones. So for notifications or a ringtone, or a FaceTime call, you can just search here for all the tones. I'm in Poland right now, so this is a Polish zloty value, so don't be bothered with that. And here in the charts you can search for the tones. For example, Pat and Matt. If you click on that, you're gonna hear the music of the tone, and if you want to buy, you just click on the price, and once you've done that, you're going to get to the whole verification process, the payment process, and after all you can click more, and on the purchase in the iTunes store you are going to find your tones right here. Also, the second path is to go to the settings, then go to the sounds and haptics, and then go to the ringtone, and here you are going to find the tone store. So this is going to switch you to the iTunes and the tones, and after all you're going to find it here. You are going to find the button download or purchased tones, and once you click that, you are going to be able to select the tone for your ringtone. So you just then click it. For example, let's say that this is the one that I bought. It is not, but for example, you just click, and from this time this is going to be your ringtone. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.